I have a lot of different chargers, and in some of my projects I decided to make unified connection of them, specifically to charge batteries on this board through this nice DEUTSCH receptacle. Yeah, you can watch the video where I explain what it is. So I did different solutions, adapters and so on, but I did several mistakes in not in the project was correct, but because these connectors are so complicated, so I did few mistakes, and now I want to fix them. For example, we will be doing the plug to this charger here, that plug. You will again learn about DEUTSCH connectors and interesting stuff about them. Let's do. The only stuff I did like from my original project, how I did this one. I will just remind the concept, yeah? So you have the charger, and the charger has its own output that you don't want to cut, yeah? For example, that one for Victron charger. And the charger also has, every charger, some kind of adapter to from that their own native connector to something else, and that's not expensive. You buy this, or usually it is included. You cut it and you install DEUTSCH connector. You will see this how we do on that charger, because this charger, it didn't have any own connector. It was ring terminals here, so I need to install the plug. Everywhere I install the same plug, yeah? So for example, this is for Bosch, and somewhere for stack it's there, yeah? So for stack, yeah. So that's the idea. What I didn't like, for example, I didn't like this boot, the original DEUTSCH boot. I will be doing shrinkable tube here. You will see this as a time lapse. So that's the thing that we will redo. Like here, it looks really nice. So good. Next, this for the Bosch charger. The Bosch charger is junk actually. So, but still I made an adapter, and I will also want to put a shrinkable tube. That's what we will do also. In one of my previous part, we prepared this adapter for charging two batteries in the same time in the board. It goes here, and then you have two receptacle that will accept again, of course, these plugs. Yeah, so you understand, yeah, every of my charger will have that plug regardless of what is on the other end of the charger. And here you can connect any of them. We haven't done shrinkable tube here. We don't need it actually. It's already IP67, but I want it here. We haven't done because I was concerned about these marks that they will be covered. But I will try this again. This will be in the time lapse. So these things we redo in this video. But first we will do this plug for the charger, and you will see a few part numbers. It's quite simple. So guys, we are going to use this part number, yeah. C09 modification says that this is black and long cup. Guys, you have to watch my previous parts to understand a few things that I don't want to repeat. Yeah, I'm recording this for myself. I don't have much feedback and comments from you, so if you have some feedback, please let me know in comments. Otherwise, I don't know if you like the stuff I'm doing for you. So the long cup means the cup for shrinkable tube, that one. It holds the sealing there. The sealing there is N-seal. Again, in previous episode I explained what is N-seal. So it means that your cable diameter should be within this range, and I have 4 millimeters. So yeah, we check it and we have 4 millimeters. We are within seal. And then when you strip it to the right distance. Again, it's covered in previous parts. You have that documentation. It explains how you should, what is the length for stripping depending on the contacts you use. And guys, when you use the plug, this is the plug, not receptacle, you then use the contacts. Again, you need to have this table. Previous episodes explain, but okay. DTP, when contact size 12, when you use plug, you need to use contacts that are called socket. Here we have part number, and that is the part number. You will see it in the description. So we use these contacts. So the plug, the contacts, and then the wedge lock. This part number. 3 part numbers. That's it. Now the process itself.
Sing the song for a broken hearted. No silent prayer for the faith departed. I'm gonna be just a face in the crowd. You're gonna hear my voice. I shout it out loud. It's my life and it's now or never. I ain't gonna live forever. I just want to live while I'm alive. It's my life, my heart is like an open highway. As long as I did it my way, I just want to live while I'm alive. It's my life. This for the one who stood their ground. For Tommy and Gina who never back down. Tomorrow's getting harder, make no mistake. Your luck ain't even luck, you'll have to make your own breaks. It's my life and it's now or never. I ain't gonna live forever. I just want to live while I'm alive. It's my life, my heart is like an open highway. As long as I did it my way, I don't wanna live another life. It's my life.
Well, there were some issues with one of the contacts. Yeah, sometimes it happens when you have soft or thick cable. Well, anyway, you have seen the process, yeah. I put the shrinking tube before because the diameter doesn't allow me to go from this side. It's not quite correct, but it will seal. And you don't actually need this tube. It's already IP67, but I like the look. I like to have it for more harsh environment protection, and I like how it works. Yeah, so I will do this. It will be in the time lapse along with other things that we discussed in the beginning of this video, so you can watch it. You can already actually like this video. Why not, if you like it? Yeah, and then I found that I have one more things to do according to my project. This alligator or crocodile clamps, and again from another side this receptacle so that it can accept these plugs, so that I can use any charger again and use this nice Denmark clamps. So everything is done now. Yeah, first of all, we have this plug for the charger. Yeah, then this is adapter. Yeah, I remade it. Not remade it. I put the shrinking tube this way, and that's the trick when you have complicated situation or cannot seal because of different wires. You can push it with pliers. It should be with adhesive layer, of course, with the glue inside this tube. I have a video about marine grade tubes on my channel, so that's the trick how you use it. Is perfectly seal it now. Everything here, the same trick I applied here. I put an extra tube here. Well, here I decided not to do this. Actually, don't like much result, and the cable here is too soft. So, and guys, I don't show actually. In this video, I don't show you how I do adapter with these crocodiles, because I don't know yet how to connect the cable here, the normal cable, if not soldering. So, what are non-soldering options to connect cable, small cable here? Let me know in comments. And in general, guys, let me know in comments, do you like DEUTSCH connectors? If you never heard about them, what you use in your applications and why. If you still don't want to use them, then why? Let me know, please, and don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you. Bye.